can set up Noodle Tools to work for them. You can access Noodle Tools at noodletools.com or at your library homepage. If you set it up from school, you don't need the username or password to authenticate. You will need to create a personal ID, and once you've done that, you can access it from anywhere you have the internet. Select that you are a teacher or a librarian. Select whatever school you work at and put in your personal ID and your password. I tend to use my school password for everything, but I'm using a generic one for this purpose. Then put in your initials and the last 4 digits of your cell phone or your home phone so that if you should forget your password, you can retrieve it. And then register. Once you've done that, you'll want to set up sharing so that your students can set up or can share their projects with you and you can see what they are working on every step of the way. So I'm going to set up my sharing by putting in my user or my name as the students refer to me and my Dropbox name. I will set one up for each period that I teach so that I can keep them separate. And if I am co-teaching with another teacher, I can put their username down here so that we can both access the project. If I want the students to submit their paper in Google Docs and I want to be able to edit that project and look at it and correct it on Google Docs, I'll put in my Google Apps ID so that I can see it every step of the way. And if I want to share any links to databases or certain pages that I want students to use for their research, I can do that here. So I will put in the library homepage because once students set up their Noodle Tools account, they can access it from anywhere as well. And now I create the Dropbox. To set up sharing for every hour, I'll need to create a new Dropbox for each hour.